Good day, this is your video on the basics about lines and angles. So we're going to be talking about types of angles, angles on a straight line, and angles at a point. So let's begin. You want to carefully review the different types of angles. And as you may notice here, we have ABC, which is a straight line. And one of the angles that you will see is the one here with a square shape, and that's a special angle we learned way back, which is a right angle. So we have right angles, and when you say right angles, it's 90 degrees. You always know it's 90 degrees, so that's 90. You also have acute angles. You learned this in grade 4. And they are any angle that's less than 90 degrees. So as you can see from the picture, this one is acute. That one is acute. And obviously, since it's a straight line is actually 180 degrees. So angle P right here is also acute. However, we also have a third type of angle, which is obtuse. And it's any angle greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180. So for example, this angle here, let's try to highlight this angle here, that one, there you go. That's angle EBC. And if you add the measurement, that's 136 degrees. That is an obtuse angle. So I got that done. So now let's go to the next one. Let's try to remove the highlights. Now, as you may notice, our angles along a straight line always add up to 180. So this is your straight line over there. And the reason that P here is missing is because initially in our item you had to solve for it. But if you look carefully here, this is 90 degrees. And if you add all of it, so it's 90 plus 46 plus 24. The total is 160 degrees. So if this is 180 from here to here, that means it will add up to 180, and to solve for it, you go 180 minus 160, which is 20 degrees. So that's 20 degrees. So along a straight line, the angles always add up to 180 degrees. All right, let's move to our next point. So we're going to move to angles at a point. In the figure here, if you notice, the vertex of all the angles here are in this point. Let's shade that so you can see here. And since all the angles here add up to 180 degrees, the opposite side obviously is 180 degrees. Meaning, if you make any divisions anywhere in this figure, maybe if you want to extend this one over here, you can actually solve for this angle, since you know that the total is 360. So the angles at a point always add up to 360 degrees. So that ends part 1 of our 3-video series on the basics of angles and geometric figures. See you in the next video.